happen is completely online. See what Maharashtra government has launched land-based records. So they are all digitizing these land records. And you can show the photographs and blockchain based. So it is like cryptocurrency, all blocked by blockchain. The computer is maintaining all the records. And online also she can show how to use that. Next, logix and that logix, legal matter. And next is AI powered contract review system. See, contract review business, it has business and lawyers quickly draft actually. It will make the contract also, it will review the contract also. Like two websites are there, logix and legal mind AI. It is here. Logix. So what it will do, it will make the contract by itself. It will review the contract by itself also. But then you have to finally see whether it's right or wrong. That happens also when in advanced area where we have land record system are there. You can show that photograph of that. This thing. Here our contract. It's actually having a very advanced level in US and Europe. They are already using it because they don't have manpower, they want expedite. So we are also now doing, our companies are also working on it. But we are dependent on that is what we got, all the photographic, evidence of what is happening there. And that, this land record is over, then our contract review system is there. Then you have smart FIR, registration by AI chatbot. By AI chatbot computers, directly a physical computer will come and it will take your record. And it will have, if you have minimum evidence or not, come in the fan. You can come here. Fan. So, what is happening when here? So, ma'am, what is happening is AI chatbot will already have a program algorithm in there which will say what is the minimum evidence required to take a FIR or not, what is the minimum documents required. So, already the feeding is there. If you have that, only then it will take, otherwise it will reject. And also it will be more seamless, time will be faster, accuracy will be more, there will be no complaints by clients that my FIR they are not taking and all that. It reduces the burden of our police stations. Because now for 1,000 people we have less than one police officer, more than one. So that by using this AI, we are looking at reducing that workload and everything. And then virtual reality crime scene investigation. You see, the crime scene you can show it. But yeah, crime scene investigation. Ma'am, so in Bangalore we have only one or two forensic experts. They are the experts. But more than 100 crimes are happening in a day. They cannot go everywhere. So we can take the help of this virtual reality where online they can see the crime scene and the experts sitting in USA, Australia, anywhere, wherever the company is in contract or maybe in Bangalore some company sitting, they can analyze the crime scene and give you the evidence report. They can give the crime scene investigation report which is acceptable in the court of law. So that mechanism is also happening and that is at a very